Welcome to Hard EHS video series, where we discuss all things health and safety. In every home, the basement serves as a foundation, a space for storage, or perhaps a cozy retreat. But lurking beneath is quite exterior, maybe a silent threat to your health: radon gas. Radon is an invisible, odorless gas, but it may be a problem in your home. It is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that emanates from the soil. It can seep through foundation cracks, gaps around pipes, or other openings, infiltrating your home. But how does radon exposure in your household basement affect your health? When radon gas is inhaled into the lungs, it decays into radioactive particles that release small bursts of energy. This energy is absorbed by nearby lung tissue, damaging the lung cells. When cells are damaged, they have the potential to result in cancer when they reproduce. According to Health Canada, radon exposure is the #1 cause of lung cancer in non-smokers. 16% of lung cancers are estimated to be from radon exposure, resulting in more than 3,000 lung cancer deaths in Canada each year. People who smoke or are exposed to radon have an even higher risk of lung cancer. The health risk from radon is long-term. The longer you are exposed to high levels of radon, the greater your risk is. The current Canadian guideline for radon is 200 becquerel per cubic meter. How do we know if the radon exposure level is safe? The only way to know if your home has radon is to test for it. Testing for radon is easy and inexpensive. There are two general types of radon test kit. Long-term kits measure radon in your home for over 90 days and are more likely to tell you your home's year-round average level. The longer the test, the better the result will reflect your home and lifestyle. If you would like to obtain quick results, there are multiple short-term kit options in the market. The measurement usually takes 2 to 90 days. You may find an affordable short-term testing kit available in Home Depot, Amazon, and Canadian Tire. It's best to test for radon over winter months when there is less ventilation in your home. After you receive the testing kit, generally, you should follow these instructions. Put the test device on the lowest level of your house that you use regularly, the level where you spend 4 hours a day or more. This could be your basement or your main floor. Make sure the test device is in a safe place, where it won't get knocked over. Do not place the detector near heating, ventilating, and air conditioning vents, doors, fans, or windows. Leave the test device in place for days according to the device instruction. Then mail the test device to the company's lab. The company will analyze the test device in their lab and mail you the results. Once you get your results, it's important to know what to do next. The Canadian radon guideline is 200 becquerel per cubic meter. Health Canada recommends home with radon level between 200 and 600 becquerel per cubic meter to be fixed within 2 years. Homes with radon level above 600 becquerel per cubic meter should be fixed within 1 year. You could hire a certified radon mitigation professional to help you find the best way to reduce the radon level in your home. Don't wait until it's too late. Test your basement for radon today and breathe easier tomorrow. Our team at Hard Consulting is dedicated to ensuring your home or business is safe from this silent threat. Contact us today for a consultation. Safety isn't just a priority, it's our commitment.